Hello and welcome to the Rule 31 video. Rule 31 focuses on seaplanes. Let's get your notepad ready and let's jump right in. Rule 31 states that where it is impracticable for a seaplane or a wigcraft to exhibit lights and shapes of the characteristics or in the positions prescribed in the rules of this part shall exhibit lights and shapes as closely similar in characteristics and position as is possible. So what this rule is stating is that seaplanes and wigcraft planes need to exhibit the lights prescribed by the rules. So they have to display side lights, which will indicate their starboard and port side, along with a masthead light. All right, congratulations on completing the Rule 31 video and on completing the entire section of lights and day shapes. Now, it is very, very important that you fully understand all of these lights and the day shapes, because in the final exam, you're not going to get the pictures of the templates. I created the templates with the picture to give you a visualization of the vessel and what they're doing. But in the final exam, what you're going to get is you're going to get images like this, and you're going to need to know what the vessel's restriction is, which way they're navigating, and even which way you are approaching the vessel based on the lights that you see. And you're going to see them just like this on a black background with the lights. So make sure that you are studying and fully understanding all of the videos in the lights and day shape section. And when you're ready, I'll be waiting for you in the next video.